Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I was at Blix, which is an art store. I'm pretty sure it is national in the US, but they were having a sale, clearance. And they had these golden acrylic pour kits. Now Golden is a very high quality brand, and so I thought this kit would be pretty awesome to try out. It comes with 5 colors and 1 medium. So it comes with white, crimson, yellow, Prussian blue, green, gold. That'll be interesting. Let's go ahead and open it up and try it out. Okay, so it comes with this little booklet here, and it says to start with a mixture of 1 part acrylic to 10 parts of the pouring medium. So that would take a lot of pouring medium, it seems like, to cover your canvas since you're using mostly that. But you know what? Let's go ahead and give it a go. So we'll get these colors mixed up really quick. Okay, so we've got all our colors mixed up. In this little picture they have on the front, it looks like they used all of these colors. So we're gonna go ahead and try them all together. Now, I'm just gonna double check this. It says nothing about adding water or anything like that. It does say that you can use more or less color to alter intensity or transparency of color. And it also says, it says the mixture can be used immediately. They have a gloss version, which I also picked up, and that it says you should let it sit overnight, which I find interesting. But these colors do seem a bit thick by themselves, but let's go ahead and give it a go. All right. So that's the white, the blue. That blue looks dark, but also gorgeous. That's that green gold, which I'm really not sure about. Yellow. And I used pretty much this entire thing of pouring medium. There's still maybe a couple ounces in there. So this kit is basically would make me 1 painting. So not super duper practical. Although it seems like I'll have a bit left over. Not a lot, but a little bit. So maybe 2 very small paintings. Okay. And I think I'm going to do this as a tree ring. Because why not? That's my favorite. Alright. Get the rest of these cups out of the way. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do this as a flip cup, because why not? Let's try it, see what happens. Maybe we'll get some crazy reactions. I'm going to go ahead and let this sit for a minute so it can settle. I'm going to move all these cups out of the way. Be right back. All right, here we go. So actually, these colors are definitely surprising me on how well they work together. I mean, as expensive as this kit is, Golden is a very high quality brand, and these are extremely high quality pigments. You can all just tell how vibrant they are. I'm going to go ahead and actually torch this and see what happens. So I wasn't really expecting reactions, but I actually got some throughout there. Let's go ahead and tilt. This does seem pretty dark though, even though I put a decent amount of white in it. And I'm hoping I have enough of everything to do 1 more try with these. And then I did also get the gloss kit, so I'll be trying that out at some later date. And if you have tried this kit, let me know what you thought and your results. So this is kind of interesting. We have these like clusters of cells where I torched. I'm gonna torch this one more time and see if we can get some more reactions and hopefully less clusters, because that's kind of strange. Oh, okay, we have some more happening. Let's let this sit. I have a feeling that some other things will go ahead and develop, and then we'll do a close-up. Okay, so I've got these super strange cell clusters from torching. I'm actually really not happy with those. I do love this section down here. So I think I'm gonna just play with this for a second, and I'm actually gonna use a straw and try to kind of blow this upper area out and hopefully create something that I really like out of this. Okay, look at that. So there were all these crazy colors hidden under there, including that white that had kind of disappeared. So this is definitely a super funky painting, and that's okay. I really like super funky. I did draw a stick through here just to kind of make these parts flow together a little bit better. Let's go ahead and do a close-up. Right, starting in the lower right hand corner here, coming up to where I use the straw. Super funky. Loving the colors though. Look at those bright colors. And down here we've got some fun kind of cells and lacing. So definitely, I know this isn't going to be everyone's cup of tea, but I think it's fun. All right, guys, well, hopefully you enjoyed this. Let me know if you've tried these paints before this specific kit. I think I'm going to try to see if I can scrape enough paint out of what I have left to do one more small one. So you may see one more video with this exact kit. And otherwise, I'll see you all next time.